So the relationship between the Big Rock Tournament and NC State, I think, is a unique one as far as I'm aware of. It's been going on for, I want to say, about 20 years now, and the fact that they partner with a university to maximize the research utility of each fish really gives a positive look for both organizations and gives both of us a chance to take advantage of all the good that can come from these tournaments. It's important to study blue marlin because they are what's considered a highly migratory species, and that just means these fish move around a lot. They're all over the Atlantic Ocean basin. Understanding their migratory routes, understanding their feeding patterns, it's basically any kind of information you can get on them is new information and useful information for understanding their biology and their ecology. So NC State and the Applied Ecology crowd worked with the Big Rock Tournament to collect a suite of scientific samples from the marlin and 3 main species of game fish that we catch other than the blue marlin. Those are mahi-mahi, or dolphin fish, wahoo, and on the rare occasion a yellowfin tuna. And so the situation with them is the same. The captains will back their boat up to the landing and they'll weigh their dolphin, wahoo, or yellowfin, take pictures with it, and then we at NC State have a tent and sort of a fillet table set up right next to the landing, and the captains will bring those fish over to our table, and then what we do is we dissect out the stomach, identify everything we can in the stomach, and get an idea of what these fish are eating. It's difficult to get samples from the marlin because it is very uncommon that you bring these fish to shore. These fish are caught as game fish. People take pictures with them, they release them. They don't harvest these fish. So the idea of bringing a dead marlin back to the landing or back to the docks and then giving the fish to a scientific crowd is kind of unheard of. We partner with the Big Rock and take advantage of this to collect samples for ourselves and for researchers in California, Texas, Florida. We've sent some samples to Rhode Island as a way to kind of spread the wealth of the sampling of these fish and get the most research utility out of each fish that we can.